This is Mike Altabrando. I'm going to show you how to change the climate temperature on a 2014 Lexus IS 250. And as you can see here, there's two different climate for the driver's side, passenger side. It's the same on either side on how to do it, but I love this feature. Right now the temperature for the driver's side and passenger side, it's set on low, which is the coldest. But you just put your finger on here and slide the bar up. You can see it jumps it up to 75 degrees, and then if I let it one more time, it jumps it up to high, so now it's on the hottest temperature. And then to decrease the temperature, you just gently slide your finger down on here, and you can see how you can just adjust it back up and down. It's a really neat feature, and that's how you adjust your climate temperature on a 2014 Lexus IS 250.